Our first page is on addition. I'll go over number 1, 66 plus 54. Make sure your place values line up. We're going to start with the ones. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 5 is 12. So your first answer is 120. Then I'll go over number 8. 132 plus 973. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 7 is 10. 1, carry the 1, and the 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. So next answer is 1105. If you guys need to use your fingers to count when you're adding, that's fine. It's okay if you take your time. And I'm gonna go over to the next page, so you guys can pause the video here, and once you guys are ready, just unpause it and then you'll follow along on the second page. The second page is subtraction. This is a little more difficult for most people than compared to addition. And I'm gonna go over number 7 here. 270 minus 93. 0 minus 3, we can't do that, so you have to carry 10 from the 7, so it becomes 6. Add the 1 to 0, so it becomes 10 minus 3, which is 7. 6 minus 9, we can't do that either, so carry 100 from the 200, then add the 10 to 6, so 16 minus 9 is 7. Bring the 1 down, and you get 177. Go over another one with you guys. Let's do number 8. 542 minus 341. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. So your next answer is 201. Same with subtraction. If you guys need to use your fingers to count when you're subtracting, that's fine. I'm just going a little bit faster than most of you guys probably are, so it's okay if you take your time. And again, you guys can pause the video here and then work on your page and then follow along with me on the next page. Next page is multiplication. Assume that you guys can do single digit multiplication. If you guys don't, then it's okay. You guys can use your just keep counting if you guys know the trick. So I'll just go over number 1 with you guys just for review. 12 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 3. If you don't know your single digits, then you can just add 12 3 times to itself, so 12 plus 12 plus 12, and you get the same answer. But I'm also going to go over the harder questions on this page, like the 2-digit multiplication. So like number 5 here. 17 times 23. So you do the right side first. So 3 times 7 is 21. But then you bring the 1 down and carry the 2. You do 3 times 1, add the 2, you get 5. Bring down a 0. 2 times 7 is 14. Bring the 1 up. 2 times 1 is 1, plus 1 is 3. And you add them together and you get 391. There's a different strategy you could do when solving 2-digit or 3-digit multiplication. As long as the number of digits are same on top and bottom, you can always do the strategy. It's called the funnel method. And personally, I prefer to do this method. It's a lot faster for me. But if you guys don't understand this, then it's okay. You guys can just go with the method that I did earlier. So for this one, we're going to do the tens place. So 1 times 2 is 2. And 7 times 3, which is 21. You see how for the first multiplication, when we did 2 times 1, I added a 0 in front of it. And in the case of 7 times 3, since your answer is a 2-digit number, I just wrote out 21. But when it's a 1-digit product, you have to make sure to add the 0 for this method to work. Next, you cross multiply. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 1 is 3. You add them together. 14 plus 3 is 17. And you write them in the middle. And you add them together. And you just do 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. Bring down the 1. And you get the same answer as you did before. Go ahead and solve this problem, this page of multiplication. And then once you're done, unpause and then follow along on the next page. Our last page is place values and forms. And standard form is just writing it out in numbers. Word form is writing out the entire number with each place value in words. Expanded form is showing the each place values in each number. So you see 50 million, 4 million, 60,000, and 900. And we're gonna go ahead with number 2. This one is 13 million 100,000 321. Then let's go with number 4 in expanded form. So this would be 10 million plus 5 million plus 100,000 plus 200. And then let's do number 7. So 100,270,054. So let's start with the million. 100,270,054. So you're just going to be doing 3 questions for 3 different forms. And that's it for today. You guys can go ahead and exit out the video if you want, or replay if you need any more instructions and directions. But other than that, you guys are done.